I'm Scott Philbin. I'm the president, owner of CiES. When we hear from our customers, they feel far more confident of their fuel state than they ever were before. It makes flying basically safer.
I'm with Valar Avionics and Restorations, and we're here at Oshkosh with Valar's Lightning.
I am an avionics technician.
I'm an avionics installer. It's an amazing product for sure.
I'm a founder of the Cardinal Flyers Online.
I fly a Cessna turbocharged T210 that I've owned for 21 years.
So I fly a 1998 A36 Bonanza.
A Baron E55. I've been flying for 30 years.
I was really nervous lots of times toward the end of a long flight.
I was always concerned.
Because I just wasn't that confident. You're watching those gauges constantly.
There was always that doubt.
Close enough doesn't hack it.
I just had the factory system. So there's this possibility of human error that creeps in.
I had what was for me a relatively scary experience with the old fuel senders. It was way beyond my pucker factor. Putting in your fuel senders was one of the smartest decisions I made.
Made a real difference in my flying.
I'm an engineer, so scary is when you don't have data. Everything else is a guess. So this gives you the data precision.
When I land, I will have the fuel that I expect to have. And it's just been a remarkable improvement.
The CiES system gives me that confirmation.
A whole new level of confidence with my level of fuel on board. I mean, I know exactly how much I've got.
Such a simple thing, but so important.
We talked about this product to all of our membership to help them be aware that there are things that they can do to make their flight safer.
I actually do recommend it every single time. Nothing but good things to say about CiES senders.
CiES fuel senders, because I don't mess around when it comes to fuel management.
Anytime a customer decides, you know what, I want to go new digital CiES as well, I'm grinning ear to ear.
Because it's been well worth it, the money for me.
From a safety standpoint, maybe ahead of spending money on the things that are more visually attractive.
For pilots, fuel is everything, and knowing how much you have is one of the fundamental building blocks of being a good professional pilot.
I'm a big advocate. I guess I'm an evangelist for CiES.